In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on your eBay account. Whether you need to update your name due to a change in circumstances or simply want to personalize your profile, changing your name on eBay is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. To start, open your web browser and go straight to the eBay website. You want to make sure you're on the official eBay page to ensure your information is secure. Once the page loads, look towards the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. When the Sign In page appears, you'll need to log in using your eBay credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, your eBay homepage should load. Now turn your attention back to the top of the page. You're looking for your profile icon, which you'll find again in the upper left corner. By clicking on the profile icon, a drop-down menu appears. Here, you need to look for and select Account Settings. Selecting this option will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your eBay account, including your personal information. Now, on the Account Settings page, find the section labeled Personal Information and click on it. When you click Personal Information, you'll be brought to another page where all your personal details are stored. Scroll down to find the section named Personal Info, which is closer to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll be able to edit your name. On this page, look for the Edit button, usually located next to your current name details. Clicking this button will open up fields for you to type in your new name. Now make sure to enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear. Take a moment to double check the spelling, as this is what will be displayed on your account moving forward. Once you've made your changes, the final step is to save them. You will find a Save button typically at the bottom of the page or right next to your name fields. Click Save, and your new name will be updated on your eBay account. And that's it! You've successfully changed your name on your eBay account. Remember, these changes might take a little while to reflect across all parts of the eBay site, so don't worry if you don't see it update immediately. Thanks for tuning in, and happy eBaying!